Got some brake pads, definitely need brakes, and I got a broken stabilizer link, so I figured I'm just going to change both of those. Thanks to Rock Auto, I got them real cheap. Also picked up this brake caliber compressor tool from Amazon. It was like 20 bucks, so I'm gonna give it a shot, see how it works. I mean, worst case, I'll lose out $20, but we'll try it out. So, first off, I wanna jack it up, get it on the stands, pull the wheels, see what we're working with. Alright guys, got the wheels off. So, this stabilizer link on this side's good, but I'm still going to change it. You got a nut here and here. Problem is, it might turn the whole thing, so I'll have to find out when I get there. But to do the brake pads, take this bolt loose, and then there's another one here. Use a screwdriver, open this up a bit, and it'll slide off, and you just change your pads. So I'm gonna do the pads first, and then we'll get to the link. Time to try out the new spreader or compression tool. See if I can figure out how to use it before I break it. Seems to be working. Just flip that and you'll loosen it back up. Those are just attachable plates for different sizes. See, you got a little size, and this just attaches magnetic for a bigger plate. So there's that. Now, these old shoes, which aren't bad, but yeah, they're pretty grooved up. The rotor's messed up, which I don't have a rotor right now, so I have to deal with what I got. new pads, fresh out of the box. They just slide in on those guides, which you can grease those guides if you want. Also, you want to make sure these slides move freely so your caliper can move back and forth without sticking, or you'll have your brakes lock up when you wear the pads down. And you just put the bolts back in. Alright, there is that. Alright guys, so the whole thing's spinning. It's not really a way to get a hold of it. Wear the boot out, see if I could get vice grips or something, or a pipe wrench to get a hold of it, and I can't, so I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna use the angle grinder and cut it. So here we go. Okay guys, so I got her off. Now you got to pay attention to the left and right. Let's see how this one goes that way and this one goes down. So this one goes that way and this one goes down. If you try to use the other, it goes up. See, it's for the opposite side. So I need this one. So now, just a matter of bolting it on. So here we go. washer. Nut. One on the top, one on the bottom. Alright guys, I'm not going to bore you with doing the other side too. Alright guys, well, that's all there is to it. So if you got greasable links, some of them are greasable, some of them are pre-greased, you got to grease them. Mine are pre-greased, so you don't have to grease them. And well, if you do the brake pads, make sure you pump the brakes before you drive it, obviously. And that'll wrap it up. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and click the bell if you don't want to miss another video. And go check out this playlist of other Envoy things I've done. And I'll see you next time. Bye.